Hello everyone, Jonathan from Geyser Systems. I'm the inventor and CEO of the Geyser system. When I was living in the back of a troop carrier, I was always plenty of propane, I had plenty of food, but when it came to water, I always was running out of water. So I had to figure out a way to make the most of every drop of water in my rig, and took everything I learned designing surgical instruments and applied it to designing the Geyser system. Now, with the Geyser system, you're able to shower using only 0.8 gallons of water. In fact, there's a lot of people who are today showering 2 people with this amount of water. The way we do that is by, instead of a shower head that's wasting and blowing water everywhere, we directly apply it exactly where we need it through a sponge. And we also have a special pump here inside the Geyser system that operates really similarly to your heart. So the more you need, the faster it'll pump. And you're about to hear that in a second. We have a 16-foot long power cord, and it plugs into a 12-volt power source, your car's cigarette socket. To turn on the pump, it's really simple. Just flip this switch, adjust this valve, and there you go. We got a couple different colors, so that way we keep our base camp organized. So mine is yellow, yours is green, and we can agree the pink one's for the dishes. And we do have 2 different models. We have a standard model, and we also have a model that includes a water heater. My favorite one is the standard one because I designed it around your favorite camping stove. So MSR wind burner, the Jetboil flash, or one of BioLite's camping stoves. All you need is a liter of boiling water, 2 liters of cold water, and within 3 minutes you get a piping hot shower. The cold plus boiling equate to a hot shower, ready in as little as 3 minutes. So this is a new product that we're launching. So you can serve water not only at home, but also in our RVs. This right here connects behind your shower head. It takes them less than 5 minutes to install. Just remove your shower head, put this to your wall stem or your water source, and you can put your shower head here. This allows you to control where the water is going out. It can go out of the shower head or through the sponge. And at the end of this hose line, you have a sponge. Now, what's really cool is that this pack comes with 3 compressed sponges. You would just insert the tubing in here and let these expand like that. But what's even cooler is that we've also released something called the mini soap. Now, unlike any other soap out there, these are super, super intense. The reason why we made these is so you can put the soap inside the sponge, then insert the tube, and as the water is mixing with the soap, it's turning the water into a really aromatic, refreshing experience. It's an amazing experience. Together, we're gonna be able to save 10 to 15 gallons of water per shower. And if the 24 million people along the Colorado River Basin were using this, we're talking about saving 2 billion gallons of water per week. This is a game-changing product that we just released this weekend. And for those who are in RV campers or have already invested in an instant hot water heater like this, it works great with this. Just to be very clear, with the Geyser Eco Shower, you're able to use 3 times less water than you normally would with a typical shower with this. However, if you want to consume 10 times less water, most definitely invest in our flagship product, the Geyser system. With the Geyser Eco Shower, you're using 0.5 gallons per minute. With the Geyser system, you're using 0.15 gallons per minute. So it's 2 different products. At the very end of the day, we're just here to help everyone make the most of every drop of water at their campsite and their base camp. So if you would like to find out more, you can check us out at geysersystems.com. We also have a new product for those of you who really want to conserve water at home. Go to geyserecoshower.com. We can help you save some water bills, save some time, also save a lot of water.